Hey, what's up, guys? Just got my quad back from the dealership. They put some new parts on it for me. First off, I got the hand guards. It's kind of cool. Really goes with this look, the black and red. I think that looks good. Second, I have my Polaris bumper. I know there's better options out there, but I think this one looks the best to me, so kind of why I got it. There you go. KFI Stealth Series 3,500 pound winch. Little stopper thing. Assault ASP 35. I did a video of that already and show you guys kind of the unboxing. I like this though. I love that little engaged release thing right there, and it just spins. So hit that back, it's released. Hit it forward, it's engaged. I think that's pretty neat. Let me see. A rear bumper. Right there, doesn't look bad. I got the third brake light now too, guys. I'll turn that on. There we go. I think it looks pretty cool. I'll go turn on the brakes too. Put you down for a second. Sorry. This is the brakes. Much brighter. Gives it like a whole different look. There we go. Okay, what else did I want to show you? I got the heated thumb throttle. I'm not a huge fan of this little like lip here. Kind of sharp. I don't know. I don't really like it. Heated grips, which my dealer did not turn these the correct way. They don't match. Kind of annoying if you ask me. I like where they put the switches up here for the grips and for the thumb throttle. So that's pretty cool. Alright. Got a new key ring. Panty dropper. Who knows if it actually is, but it's 1,000, so I'm gonna say it is. So I think that's it, guys. I think that's all I got. Doing a full walk around so you kind of know what you're getting. That's her. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.